Okay, we're going to now do some multiplication in base 5. And let's see if we can do this. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remember that we can't have any digits other than 0 through 4. And when we carry, we're carrying 5. Alright, so here's what we need to remember. And I'm just going to go through each step. I'm not going to write it down in any particular way other than just to make a list. Okay? So that I have 3 times 5 is 12. Okay? So now think about what 12 means. 12 base 5, so I would divide 12 by 5 and get 2. Okay? So I'm going to be carrying a 2. And I would have a remainder of 2. So I'm going to put that down. Now, let's go back and see what I just did. So this is like 12 divided by 5 is 2. Remainder 2. Okay? So 2 carries, the first 2 carries, and then the remainder writes down. Now, 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. Now 10 divides by 5 2 times. Okay? And so I don't have a remainder, and I bring down my 2. Alright, now let's go to the next one. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay? And I don't have anything to carry. 2 times 1 is 2. And I get 23. Now, notice that I have got my numbers out of alignment because I'm so used to going over here. Just make sure that when you actually write down your number to add, because you have to add those together, we're going to get 2 plus 3 is 5, and 2 plus 0 is 2, and 2. Now look here, problem child, because I can't have a 5, so then I'm going to carry 1, and that becomes a 0, okay, because 5 divided by 5 is 1. Then 2 plus 1 is 3, and 2. So 23 times 14 is 230 base 5. And these were base 5 also. Now, let's just think about what that means. Alright? If I were going to do this and convert it to a base 10 number, I could check myself and see what I get.